May 1, 1945. This morning at 1:15 we took over the camp. The Jerrys moved out, lock, stock, and barrel last night. Yesterday, about 12, the Germans started blowing up all their military installations in this area. Throughout the afternoon, loud blasts occurred in and around the flak school, which is just beyond our south fence. Large pieces of radar equipment dropped in our garden. Concussions jarred books off the shelves. All very trying on the nerves. Der Hauptmann was pretty drunk at roll call last night, also in a very great hurry. Rumors flew wildly around camp. Some said the Russians were at Stralsund. Others said they were nearing Bart. Our news did not confirm these rumors. The Jerrys were undoubtedly convinced the Russians were coming, because all through the night they packed all their belongings on bicycles, trucks, tractors, wagons, etc., and pulled out, going west. Our organizations immediately took over the guard towers and camp headquarters. Today's hopes have been very high. We have all kept our ears to the east, but as yet no Russians. Rumor has it they have cut south toward Rostock. Polish, French, and other foreign workers have been coming out all day, telling us Bart is completely deserted of Germans. The mayor committed suicide. Hauptmann von Miller showed up today and apparently gave himself up.